Welcome. Today we'll solve the equation sign of 3x equals -1 for x between 0 and 2 pi. Let's solve this step by step. First, let's recall that sine equals -1 at 3 pi over 2 radians in the standard unit circle. Therefore, if sine of 3x equals -1, then 3x must equal 3 pi over 2 plus 2 pi k, where k is an integer. Solving for x, we divide both sides by 3. This gives us x equals pi over 2 plus 2 pi k over 3. Now let's find which values of k give us x values between 0 and 2 pi. Let's create a table and try different values of k. When k equals 0, x equals pi over 2, or about 1.57 radians. This is in our interval. When k equals 1, x equals pi over 2 plus 2 pi over 3, or about 3.67 radians. This is also in our interval. When k equals 2, x equals pi over 2 plus 4 pi over 3, or about 5.76 radians. This is also in our interval. When k equals 3, x would be greater than 2 pi, so we stop here. Therefore, there are 3 solutions in the interval 0 to 2 pi. Pi over 2 plus 2 pi over 3, and pi over 2 plus 4 pi over 3. And that's how we solve trigonometric equations. Thanks for watching.